Hi lovelies, welcome back. Yes, today I'm making the East African beef pasta. Have you tried it out? It's so yummy. Yes, so we're going to make this together. Join me as we go through this, and it's going to be so easy. It's so delicious. Yeah, so these are my ingredients. I have some rosemary, some black pepper seeds, some onion, garlic, bay leaf. I have my beef there. I used 500 grams of beef. Now I'm going to cook this until it is soft and tender. Now you add in all these bay leaves, garlic, and onion and rosemary. You can add in more of your favorite herbs. So yes, I used 3 teaspoons of salt. Add in your water and cook until it's soft and tender. Now my beef is here, guys. I'm telling you, this is soft. So I cooked it for about 1.5 hours on medium low heat, or even preferably you can use low heat. It's going to cook so soft and so tender and so yummy. So in the same stock of the same water used for our beef, I'm going to put in our macaroni, our pasta in there. Now you see it is ready. Please strain out the water. I didn't show it here. Strain out the water. Now I'm going to stir fry my beef to give it a bit of that golden crunchiness. Now there it is. Oh guys, I'm telling you, this is so yummy. So I'm using 3 tomatoes. I blended them. I'm using 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Here my pasta. Add in your onions nicely. You saute this until it's a bit golden brown. Nice. You add in your garlic. Yes, and cook this. Make sure that your onions are ready and nice. So yes, as you can see, the golden brown in there. You add in your tomatoes. Now you cook this. You cover and let the water come out of the tomatoes to take out the tinginess or tanginess, something like that. Anyway, I added in my 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. I used stock, a bit of stock that I had left with. Mix that in there properly. I used 1 teaspoon of coriander, cumin, and paprika. Added in a bit of stock, and I added in 1 teaspoon of salt. Remember, our pasta has a bit of salt, and our beef also has salt. So be gentle with the salt. Now I added in my carrots and green peppers, a bit of rosemary powder in there. Mix properly, guys. I'm telling you, this is yummy. So mix that properly. Add in your beef nicely, and I'm telling you guys, you're going to love this. So I added in a teaspoon of soy sauce in there, as you can see, and there you are. Our food is ready. And it doesn't take long. Just try it out. Tell me, do you like it? Please hit me up in the comment section and tell me how it came out. Thank you guys. God bless you.